Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change your account name on your Steam account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to change your Steam account's name on your Steam account, let's log into our Steam account first. As you can see, I have already opened the Steam software. Now let's log into the Steam and log in. And after logging in, you can see we're on the store, but you can see my account name over here, which is the Mad Boy Dub. Now to change it, you can see the profile option available over here when we hover on it. So let's click on profile, and you will find this kind of interface where on the right side you can see the edit profile option available over here. Click on edit profile, and after that you can see the profile name over here under the category general. So if you want to change it, just edit it or re-edit it. For me, I'll be removing the excess A for me, and I will not be changing the whole name. And you can see I have already changed. So after changing your account name over here or doing the editing you like on your profile, you can see the save button available at the bottom of your screen. Click on save, and it has been saved. Now you can see on the top I had on my name with a double A over here before, but one A is gone, which means I have successfully changed my account name on Steam. And there guys, this is how you change your account name on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.